This video is available in English and Hindi. Namaskar. Welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. I hope you are all doing well. Today I would like to share my weekend routine with you. A mix of important tasks that usually take place on weekends along with some relaxation and quality time spent with family. Strategic weekend planning helps me maintain a balanced and productive routine, as well as ensures an easier and faster weekday schedule, which includes managing household work, taking care of my school-going child, and creating content for my channel. On Saturdays, my day begins around 6 to 6:30 am, the usual time I wake up during weekdays. My body has grown accustomed to this routine, so I can't sleep more on weekends. However, I cherish this peaceful time as there is no rush to send my son off to school. After spending some quiet moments alone, I start a load of laundry. I prefer doing laundry twice a week, once during weekdays and once on weekends. While the clothes are being washed, I do some stretching and yoga to energize myself. Then I take a shower, do my daily puja and prepare breakfast promptly, avoiding any delays. My breakfast time falls between 8:30 to 9 am, and whether it's a weekday or weekend, our breakfasts are usually simple. This time I made sabudana khichdi accompanied by my favorite garma garam masala chai.
Just ignore the flood and laugh at the thunder roaring, 'cause the drumming of the rain cannot compare with to have it speeding like a train at 3,000 feet and up, 'cause I don't know what your lips are saying. Don't get a word, but it's the most beautiful thing I've ever heard. And then the rain was speaking still. It started pouring. Just ignore the flood and laugh.
I thoroughly enjoy the relaxed space on weekends, giving me the opportunity to savor my breakfast and chai in peace. Since it's been raining a lot lately, I find it convenient to use our tumble dryer for drying the laundry, which is very helpful during rainy and winter days. I will be sharing a separate video about the laundry routine, so stay tuned for that. On weekends, my son attends football class, and if I have the time, I accompany him, otherwise he goes with his friend. Mornings are when I'm most energetic, so I strive to complete as many pending tasks as possible. Typically, I use weekends to finish up any lingering tasks from weekdays or those that are not feasible to accomplish during my busy shoot routine. During the weekends, I engage in some meal prepping, like preparing a batter for dosa that lasts us for 5 to 6 days. Additionally, I make healthy snacks, and one of my weekend staples is Ragi Laddu. As for other tasks like chopping veggies or buying groceries, making chutney, and roasting peanuts, I manage to do them during the weekdays while cooking meals. Hence, the weekends are dedicated to more time-consuming prepping. I don't take stress to complete everything, and that's what weekends are for, to unwind and relax. I focus on accomplishing what I can within certain hours, and any remaining tasks can wait until the weekend is over. By finishing certain tasks on weekends, I ensure that my weekdays are more peaceful and less rushed. For me, balance is the key.
I can see the stains of all the careless words. I say them 'cause they hurt. Staring at a map where I can't read the legend. I question every method I have.
Saturdays are dedicated to Simplify Your Space video releases, and at exactly 11 am the new video goes live. The next hour passes swiftly as I focus on sharing the video links across different social media channels and engaging with you all by responding to your comments and queries. Your wonderful comments and heartfelt appreciation brighten up my day, and I eagerly look forward to Saturdays. Thank you all for being such lovely and supporting audience. If my husband has a day off on weekend, I like to prepare a special lunch. We generally avoid going out on weekends due to heavy footfall in malls and restaurants, as I find it challenging to bear such large crowds. Moreover, my husband's day off varies due to his monthly roster, sometimes falling on weekdays and other times on weekends. When we do plan to go out, we prefer weekdays when the shops and restaurants are less crowded. Recently, I decided to experiment with a different menu, making dishes we don't usually eat. So today's menu is gatte ki sabzi, bharwa bhindi and paratha. The gatte ki sabzi had been on my mind for quite some time, and trying it out was a delightful experience. We truly relish homemade food and occasionally venture into trying out new dishes. Lately, I have noticed a shift in my preferences, and I find it myself not enjoying outside food as much as before. Instead, I prefer to cook something special at home. It does not mean that I never go out. It's just that my taste has evolved over time. These days, every week, I make it a point to tackle long pending and untouched areas in my home, one of which was my son's room. So, on the weekend, I involve my son in the process of decluttering his toys. I believe it is important to include kids in purging their personal belongings, helping them understand the concept of decluttering and organizing their things. After decluttering, he thanked the toys for playing with him, and though a bit emotional, he was glad that they would bring smiles to other young kids who may not have the privilege to own new toys. Weekends also mean spending quality time with my growing son. While he has friends to play with, we still enjoy engaging in various activities together. These moments are filled with fun and laughter, creating beautiful memories. Later in the evening, we like to gather and watch movies or shows together, enjoying each other's company. Saturdays tend to fly by quickly, but Sundays are more relaxing. Overall, weekends are a great opportunity for me to spend quality time with my family, making the most of these precious moments together. It brings a sense of fulfillment and joy, making the weekends truly special. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.